Right, quick recap about what it means for V to be inversely proportional to the pressure. And this is actually a real life thing that happens if you take some gas and you plot V against P, then inversely proportional means that you'll get this kind of graph. It actually means that V is equal to K over P. There's a reciprocal relationship going on. If you were to plot V against 1 over P, then you would get a straight line. And actually that links into this because we know that for a straight line we get y equals mx plus c. But in this case, it goes through the origin, so we can get rid of c. And I've essentially replaced y by v. I've replaced m by k. And I've replaced x by 1 over p. So it becomes k times 1 over p, which is just k over p. To summarize, when you see V is inversely proportional to the pressure, this is the sort of equation that you need to write down. And we can write it down the other way. We can like multiply. It also means that PV, pressure times volume, is a constant, or pressure is equal to K divided by V. These are three ways of writing the same equation. Okay, on to the question then. By what percentage will the pressure of a gas change if its volume increases by 25%? Now actually, the easiest way of doing this question that I think I'm going to focus on is to use this version of the formula, because we've got that P old times V old is equal to a constant, but that's also equal to the new pressure times the new volume. And I'm not interested in the constant here, so I'm actually just going to cross this bit out. So what's happening with the new pressure? Sorry, I'm trying to find out about the new pressure. Well, the volume is increasing by 25%. So actually, P0 V0 is equal to the new pressure multiplied, and the volume is increasing by 25%. So it's 1.25 times the old volume. And now I've got it in terms of the old volume. I can just ignore these. Okay, I've got that the old pressure is equal to the new pressure times 1.25. So if I want to work out what's happened overall, well, the new pressure is going to be P0 divided by 1.25. And that, if you work out what 1 divided by 1.25 is, it's actually 0.8. I've turned it into a decimal. I'm not dividing by a number now. I've got a decimal. It's 0.8 P0. So I'm there. I've got the new pressure is 0.8 of P0. It's actually, that means that it's 80% of P0. They're the same thing. And so what percentage has it changed by? Well, if it's 80%, then there's a 20% decrease. It's only asked us for the change. There's a 20% change.